Hey guys, I'm going to show you what you can do with your blackberry prunings. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to Farm Alarm. I'm Ashley. We just got done pruning and topping our blackberry plants. As you can see, they look really nice. As you guys might know or may not know, we grow Apache blackberries. They're a thornless blackberry. We actually have 5 80-foot rows of them. And the main purpose to grow blackberries is for the fruit for yourself, to sell, and this year we're starting a U-pick patch. But you don't really think about the leftovers after you've pruned your plant, and so that's what we're going to show you today. One thing you can do with the leaves is make a blackberry tea. It's known for centuries that it helps with diarrhea. I'm not a doctor, don't take my word for it, but I'm sure you can Google some recipes. Studies have shown that the blackberry leaf extract has lots of antibacterial properties and is good for ulcers. I'm going to show you guys what we like to do with our blackberry tops. Feed them to the livestock. Let's go. They love them. We just figured this out like the last time we were doing some work on the blackberries, and they just came up to them and started eating them. We're like, yes, free food. You can definitely tell they've stripped the leaves off the stalk. Hey guys, we have a whole how-to list on how to raise blackberries. We'll leave a playlist for that right here. Just go ahead and click it. And until next time, we'll see you on the next video. Hey guys, if you haven't seen our other blackberry videos, Blackberry. Hold on, I lost it.